For a repair transaction, once you have the handheld inserted and the station connects to the handheld, you will hit the start button to begin the demonstration. When you begin the repair transaction, you will see the customer's name and customer ID in the left-hand corner. You will hit start and it will ask you if this is the correct customer. Once you begin, it will look just like a normal calibration, but midway through the calibration, it will flag the customer's unit for repair. In this situation, once the station tells you that the unit needs to be put into repair, you would take the customer's device, place a red repair label across the top of the device, remove the customer's device, and then insert an inventory unit to continue calibration.